That's it. Now, whenever someone submits your form, their details will be automatically added to your specified Mailchimp audience list. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next-Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and here in the search bar, type in Next-Blocks. Once you spot it, click on Install Now, and then hit Activate. Set! The free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here, you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So, take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now, on to the checkout page. Here, Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here, simply we'll need to navigate to Plugins, then Add New and click on Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and click on Install Now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Next-Blocks, Dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set! And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Next-Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Next-Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Now, let's crack open and integrate Mailchimp to our form, which is the OG of newsletter tools, and it is also perfect for firing off welcome emails, segmenting subscribers, and tracking campaign results, all from one familiar dashboard. So, after selecting Mailchimp from the Action After Submit dropdown, you will see a couple of new fields appear. Now, let's go through them step by step. First, we need to get the API key from your Mailchimp account. To do this, log in your Mailchimp dashboard, then click on your profile icon at the top right and select Account and Billing. Now on the next page, go to Extras, then API Keys, and here you will see an option to create a key. Click on it and give your key a name. Finally hit Generate and Set. Once the key is generated, simply copy it. Now come back in your form settings within Nexter and paste this API key right into the API key field. Okay, next we need the audience ID. For your information, this is the identifier for specific information in Mailchimp where you want your form submissions to be added. To find it, go back to your Mailchimp dashboard and click on Audience, then Settings. And here on the settings page, under Audience Name and Default section, you will find the audience ID. Simply copy this ID, come back to your form settings, paste the audience ID you just copied into the audience ID field. And once you've entered both the API key and audience ID, simply go ahead and click on Save. That's it. Now, whenever someone submits your form, their details will be automatically added to your specified Mailchimp audience list.